What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the volume keys to turn on or turn off TalkBack in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on TalkBack and then click on TalkBack shortcut. So first of all, turn on the TalkBack shortcut and then enable second and third shortcut. So the second shortcut is press side and volume up button, and the third shortcut is press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. So these are the two ways you can use volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack. So press and hold volume up and down, and after 3 seconds the TalkBack will be turned on. Now turn the volume up and down key again for 3 seconds to turn it back off. And the second way you can use volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack is press the side key and volume up key. So you don't have to press and hold, just simply press and release the keys and then it will turn on the TalkBack. Now to turn it back off, again press the keys and then TalkBack will be turned off. So these are the two ways you can use the volume keys to turn on or off TalkBack in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.